Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a Facebook photo post so it actually feels more engaging. So first, simply open the Facebook app on your phone and tap Create Post. From here, you can then choose the photo you want to upload. So once you do that, you can then tap the music icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Then simply search for a song you like. You can also preview it to find out if you actually like it or not. Then simply select the part of the track you want to use and you're done. So once the music is added, you can then adjust how it appears on your post, then write your caption as usual. So finally, you can then tap post and your photo will then be shared with music playing when people view it. And that's it. So that's how to add music to a Facebook photo post. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.